Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, your great love. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful, exclusive, gorgeous collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very bright color. 9JD1 is saree code. 2650 is saree price. Very beautiful one. Pure handloom cotton silk with Banarasi weaving work. Very nice one. Beautiful bright looks, best for your party wear. This one is a blue shade with golden zari weaving butta design, and this one is golden zari border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with beautiful heavy golden zari weaving work. Premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with Banarasi weaving work, and this one is patli pallu. This one is pleat section stripes with weaving butta design. Very exclusive one. Contrast color stripes with zari highlighting stripes lines. Very beautiful one. This one is pleat section, this one is base part, and this one is running blouse piece. Very exclusive one. Bright blue shade, and this one is gorgeous weaving pallu contrast color with heavy weaving golden zari weaving design. Very exclusive one. Bright red shade with beautiful golden zari weaving design full pallu part, and this one is blue shade with weaving golden zari weaving butta design, and this one is pleat section. Very beautiful one. This one is pleats. Very exclusive one, and I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3250 for your beautiful bright looks. And this one also very exclusive one. Very beautiful weaving silver zari weaving. 9JD2 is saree code. 3800 is saree price. Very exclusive one. Bright shade with silver zari weaving, full body silver zari weaving work. Very nice one. This one is full base part. Very exclusive, beautiful looks. Fully silver zari weaving work. This one is full base part. This one is border, 1 inch contrast color border, and this one is pallu and silver zari stripes pallu. Very exclusive one. Premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton base with beautiful silver zari weaving full base part. Beautiful look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, best for your party wear also. This one is fully silver zari, soft silver zari weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, very beautiful color also. And I will suggest this beautiful contrast color silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4400 for your beautiful bright exclusive celebrity party looks. Very beautiful elegant looks. 9JD3 is saree code. 2650 is saree price. Very beautiful one. Exclusive premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with contrast border and full border portions. Beautiful temple weaving design. Very beautiful one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, very elegant looks also. This one is border. One portion is yellow shaded with fully weaving temple weaving design border, and this one portion is red, one portion is yellow shaded contrast color border with temple weaving design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. Fully jacket weaving design. Very nice one. Contrast color with beautiful weaving pattern. Very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk. This one is full base part. Very bright beautiful looks. Navy blue base. This one is beautiful border design. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece. Same body set, and this one is beautiful contrast color border. one portion is yellow, one portion is red. Very beautiful exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving, small weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3050 for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. Very trendy one. This one also, you know, very exclusive one, fully celebrity looks. 9JD4 is saree code, 3800 is saree price, blue beige with silver zari weaving work, full body base is laden by cotton weaving with silver zari weaving. Very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful color with silver zari work. Full base part is heavy weaving design, silver zari weaving design. This one is border, contrast color border, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And this one is, you know, pallu end, beautiful fine silver zari stripes pallu end, and this one is full base part, very beautiful exclusive looks. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable for your outstanding party looks. This one is full base part, full base is silver zari weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful exclusive one. And I will suggest this silver soft silk material with self weaving silver base, self weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4250 for your beautiful outstanding party looks. This one also, you know, very bright one, beautiful one. Cotton silk Banarasi. 9JD5 is saree code, 2650 is saree price, very beautiful bright color. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful bright one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with golden zari weaving butta design, very nice one. This one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine golden zari weaving butta design, handloom cotton silk material. And this one is patli pallu pattern. This one is pleat section, very beautiful one, stripes pattern, contrast color stripes with butta design and golden zari stripes, fine stripes, pleat section. This one is pleats, this one is base part, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is, you know, heavy golden zari weaving pallu, contrast color with beautiful golden zari weaving heavy work pallu. This one is beautiful color base, golden zari weaving butta, and this one is pleat section. Very exclusive one, stripes pattern weaving butta pleats. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3350 for your beautiful bright elegant looks, gorgeous also. This one also, you know, very nice one, matka muslin. 9JD6 is saree code, 4200 is saree price, very beautiful one, half matka half muslin. Muslin is beautiful weaving butta work. This one is muslin part, bottle green shade. This one is muslin part with beautiful weaving design, jamdani weaving butta pattern design, very exclusive one. This one is muslin part, transparent, and this one is, you know, half matka half muslin, and this portion is half matka base, this one is half matka, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is muslin part, upper portion is muslin with beautiful butta design, very exclusive one. And this one is, you know, pallu end. Pallu end is also very beautiful one, matka base stripes pattern with sequin work, very exclusive bright beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4700 for your bright beautiful looks, beautiful party looks. Very beautiful bright color. 9JD7 is sari code 2650 is sari price premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful weaving work. This one is pink base bright pink premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful weaving buta design, golden and contrast color thread weaving design, golden zari border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, fine weaving buta design, soft lightweight comfortable, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta weaving design, golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with beautiful weaving, fully hand weaving bar design, highlighting golden zari lines with beautiful weaving bird weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, bright color, soft lightweight comfortable, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3050 for your beautiful bright looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There have many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. This one also very bright one, beautiful exclusive collections. 9JD8 is sari code 6500 is sari price pure handloom handspun matka base with 1 inch golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful weaving jamdani weaving design, very nice one. Base is matka with jamdani work. This one is border, golden zari 1 inch border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable pure handloom handspun matka base with full base part is beautiful weaving design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, muslin pallu with heavy weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani design. This one is muslin pallu with beautiful colorful hand weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive, beautiful, elegant party looks, bright also, pure handloom handspun matka jamdani, and this one is pallu and muslin with beautiful hand weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive design. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this sorry, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 7100 for your beautiful bright exclusive party looks. Royal blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka jamdani. This one also bright color matka muslin. 9JD9 is sari code 4200 is sari price, very bright beautiful one. This one is half matka half muslin, and this one is muslin part, beautiful hand weaving buta jamdani design. This one is half part, upper part muslin transparent with beautiful hand weaving buta work, very exclusive one, bright looks, best for your party wear. And this one is pallu and matka base, matka stripes, self stripes with sequin design, very exclusive one. This one is muslin, half matka half muslin, upper portion is muslin with buta work jamdani, buta jamdani work transparent, and this one is half part fully muslin and half part is matka. This portion is matka base, blue shade, bright blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, half matka half muslin, muslin is jamdani weaving design, very nice one. I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 4700 for your beautiful bright elegant looks, bright party looks. This one also very beautiful one, 9JD10 is saree code 6500 is saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka with beautiful jamdani design. Full base part is beautiful work. This one is full base part, very nice one, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari border. This one is matka base and this one is beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, handspun matka jamdani, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful heavy work, fully hand work. This one is running blouse piece, golden zari border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful, fully hand weaving heavy jamdani work. Base is muslin with beautiful hand weaving work, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful, elegant looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7,700 for your beautiful, bright, exclusive, outstanding party looks. Very beautiful one, pure handloom, 9JD11 is saree code 6500 is a saree price. Let me open, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. Full base part is resham silk. This one is full base part, very beautiful, exclusive one, golden zari border, and this one is beautiful resham part with beautiful hand weaving heavy jamdani design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, beautiful color also. This one is pallu end, highlighting golden zari fine stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom resham jamdani. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful heavy jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, beautiful work, golden zari border, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, transparent, pure resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest the silk material with weaving golden zari, weaving polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your beautiful, bright, elegant, outstanding party looks. And today I have draped a beautiful, exclusive, pure handloom fine lane by lane with shivori dye saree. This one is silver zari border, base is lane by lane and shivori dye, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. This one is pallu silver zari stripes with shivori dye print, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, 2600 is high price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.